Subukan naman natin itong age problem na to. 5 years ago, Sarah's mother was 3 times as old as Sarah. Now, Sarah's mother is twice as old as Sarah. How old is Sarah? So, tandaan natin na meron dalawang situation dito. Yung 5 years ago and yung current situation or current age nila. So, Sarah, let's put Sarah as S minus 5. Of course, minus 5 kasi 5 years ago. Tapos si mother naman, M minus 5 also kasi 5 years ago. So, sa current naman, Sarah as S and mother as M. Nakalagay sa problem that 5 years ago, Sarah's mother was 3 times as old as Sarah. Gagamitin natin yung 5 years ago. So, M minus 5 is equals to 3 times age ni Sarah na S minus 5. Simplify, M minus 5 is equals to 3 times S minus 5 which is magiging 3S minus 15. Yung 5 sa left side is ililipat natin sa right side, magiging positive na siya. So, M is equals to 3S minus 10. Sa current naman, Sarah's mother is twice as old as Sarah which means M is equals to 2S. Meron na tayong equation equating into M which means itong dalawang equation na to is equal. So, equate natin sila, 3S minus 10 is equals to 2S. Simplify, pagsama yung like terms, so 3S minus 2S, lipat natin yung 10 sa kabila which means S is equals to 10. So, Sarah's age is equals to 10.